Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Panera Bread. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in iportal.panerabread.com/PaneraSSO. You can then press enter and this will take you into the employee portal for Panera Bread. Now you will be asked to enter your credentials to continue forward. Just type in your username that you have set while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Panera Bread employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option alongside and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Panera Bread. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.